Did you really think that I was gonna shave my eyebrows? Well, you were wrong. Don't ever judge a book by its cover. Hey guys, so this is probably one of the weirdest videos I've ever made on my channel, but I shaved my eyebrows. Why did you? So this is probably the most random and weird video on my channel. Plus I've worn this shirt in like 10 of my videos, but that's besides the point. So I'm just going to tell you guys what happened and why I started to make a video. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I shaved a whole chunk off of my right eyebrow. I'm going to insert a picture here. It's not like a slit or anything. It's just I shaved like the front part of my eyebrow. So this is what happened. So I was just sitting down, you know, watching The Office as you do, and I was like, I'm kind of starting to grow like a mini unibrow. So I was like, I'm just gonna grab a razor and shave it off, as you do. I got my Tesco Everyday Value shaving foam and a razor, and I was like, you know what, let me just shave it off. Big mistake, sister. So basically, applied the shaving foam like right here, and then I was like, I was very careful with it, okay? I shaved down the middle in between my two eyebrows, but then I was like, that's not enough. So I started shaving right here, right where my right eyebrow starts, and I took up an entire chunk. Probably overreacting. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera because my eyebrows are non-existent anyways, but I don't know why I'm making a video out of this. I literally could be doing anything else, but I was like, I haven't uploaded in a week. Let me just film this. So here we are. The sad part about this is that I'm not like a makeup person, so I don't own any eyebrow pencils or things like that to try and fill it in. We have a Crayola black coloring pencil right here. That literally did nothing. Okay, so I just googled how long it would take for my eyebrow to grow back, and we're looking at 8 to 16 weeks. So that's about 4 months. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I'm never gonna shave my eyebrows again. I'm gonna have like a unibrow, and I really don't care. What to do if you shave off your eyebrow. Okay, so a video came up telling me what to do if I accidentally shaved up my eyebrow. That's how this works. Okay, so basically the girl in the video applied Vaseline to her eyebrow. I have no eyebrow left over here, but we're just gonna do what she says. I think I applied too much Vaseline. Me making this video, I'm just realizing that I'm probably being really extra. Okay, so the Vaseline is applied. Okay, so the girl in the video just applied Vaseline and then she filled it in with an eyeliner pencil thing with jig, which I don't have, so be right back. So this is actually my mom's eyebrow thing. This is a liquid eyeliner and she used an eyebrow pencil. So I already can tell this is not going to work out, but you gotta do the best with what you have. This is a brown eyeliner, I just realized. Okay, so this is the NYC high definition liquid eyeliner. Should probably wipe the Vaseline off. Wow. Ooh, wow. Okay. So this is clearly not working out. This is looking cute. Okay, so here's the finished look. I don't even know what I'm doing. My eyebrows they look amazing. I can't even say that with a straight face. Oh my gosh. Sister. Sister, what are you doing? James Charles would not approve. I just realized this is technically like my first makeup video. Let me get one of them slow-mos that those beauty gears always do. Take it slow, mister. Okay, so this look was definitely a fail. You guys can, I don't know what to say. Honestly, sister's looking kind of like a mess. Let's just get rid of this unibrow real quick. I don't even know what this video is or what this video was, but here it is. This is my content, guys. In conclusion, I don't really know what this video was, but I shaved off the front part of my right eyebrow. It's gonna grow back in like 2 months, so for the 2 months I'm probably just gonna like not leave the house. Let's be honest, I was probably not gonna leave my house anyways, but you know what, now I have an actual reason to stay at home. I can't stop looking at my uneven eyebrows. It's like, this one is okay, this one is just like a train wreck, sister. There's too much space on the right side of my face. Like, there should be more hair here. This video was a mess, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I just decided to start filming because I freaking messed up my eyebrow. And you know what? It's content, I think. I just made an entire video about me shaving off a minuscule part of my eyebrow. Who is she? So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up or give it a thumbs down. Subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! This video was a mess.